We're going in the garden, harvesting veggies, and this hungry mother pot following me. And there you go. That's roca and other veggies, other tomatoes. Yeah. I only need this for boiling. Lalago. Look at that. Hey! May sarili na kaming roca. Malalago na. Ayan. Ito lang kailangan ko muna. Wait. Next time, roca naman. Roca naman ang ating i-harvest. Ito na. Binoboil ko lang to. Pero konti lang to pag binoil. Meron pa ako doon. Dagdag ko lang. Kasi malalaki na siya. Kaya kailangan ko na siyang harvest. Ready to boil. Bye-bye. Next time again. Diba? Lulusog.